Well, good hot hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Oh, the mercy, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Wednesday. But I'm here to tell you, y'all, it is hot in East Central Mississippi. It's hotter than nickel night at the House of Ill Repute. What I want to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you are returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, I'm going to show you how I plan on saving my true blue collard seeds. So give me a second, we finna walk over to them 16-foot raised beds, and that's what we finna do. All right, brothers and sisters, we over here in these 16-foot raised beds. Here are my true blue collards, and they have gone to seed, and all I'm doing is I'm waiting for these guys, the seed pods actually to dry out so I could start harvesting the seeds. And as you can see, got a bunch of seeds. And I have some right here that I've actually dried, so I've been pulling those off as I can. See, here they are right here. These have dried. And I have just a little stainless steel container that I've been putting them in. I'm getting just a few at a time. I guess these guys dry at certain rates, and that's cool. But you can tell, here's one right here. It's getting close to being dry, but it's not quite dry yet. Here's one that's dry. I'm just pulling these guys off and trying to collect the seeds. And I'm here to tell you, I'm gonna have a bunch of them, just loads of them. What I'm gonna ask is, there's several folks that have asked about these true blue collar seeds. Miss Patrice over at Patrice's Projects, Southpaw Davy. I want to say the Green Dream Project, and a few other channels have asked about these seeds. Hey Dan, when you get done, when these seeds get to drying, can you send me some? Yes, I will send you some seeds, because this is why I'm letting these guys go to seed. So what I'm gonna ask is, if you want some of these seeds, shoot me an email at homeinthesticks@gmail.com, and wherever you want me to mail the seeds to you or get the seeds to you, drop me an email and I'll get some seeds out to you. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna collect up all the seeds that are dry, but I have enough seeds to show you how I am gonna harvest these seeds from my true blue collards. So give me a second, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, here is a little mess of seeds that I've picked, and as you can see, this is a good example of a bunch of true blue collard seeds that have dried. I have noticed that I have some really brown ones, and I also have some black ones. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe these dried longer than these, but hey, that's cool. I'm gonna say this is the first time that I've actually ever saved or tried to save collard seeds. Never did it before, but it's pretty easy. All it is you just split these guys open, these little pods open, and there's all the seeds. And you just run the seeds out. Take your hand and do one of these numbers. And there's quite a few seeds in here. Let's see, there's one right there. And there we go. And it's a little time consuming. I have read that you can actually run them in your hands like this and see the seeds. But I'm a little bit more meticulous. I like to open each pod up and just save all the seeds that I can get. But what I will tell you, see there you go. There's a pod, and that's what the seeds look like in the pod. They're a little bitty old small jokers, but that's okay. And you got to be careful when you are doing this, because they will fly everywhere. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and get these seeds harvested and shelled out of these pods, and I'll turn this camera back on and show you what we ended up with. All right, let's take a look at our seeds. There we have it. Here are the true blue collard seeds, and they're little bitty old small jokers, like real small. And all I'm doing is I put it in a just old white paper plate, styrofoam plate, just to show you what it looks like. I'm taking these guys from here and I'm just actually putting them in a little baggie. Hopefully I can do this without jacking everything up. Kind of like that maybe. When I get a bunch of these saved up, they may have a little bit of some of this mixed in with it. I tried to get as much of this as I can out of the seeds, but there you have it. That's how I intend on saving them. And when I send you the seeds, this is how I'm gonna send it to you. And all I put on here was just TB Collards 2019, True Blue Collards 2019. So pretty straightforward. Again, I have never saved collard seeds before. This is my first year saving them, and I'm glad I did, because I'm gonna have plenty of seeds that I can share with y'all. You can maybe try to get some true blue collards going at your home place, and that's what it's all about. Sharing seeds and sharing information and just sharing period if we can. Word of caution though, if you get some true blue collards going and you let them go to seed, when you pick those seeds off of those plants, or those seed pods off of those plants, you need to be pretty gentle with them, because if they crack open and the seeds go everywhere, guess what? They germinate, you're gonna have true blue collards all over the place. So you're gonna have collards all over the place. Y'all, this is gonna be a short video. Have a bunch of stuff I need to do over here for the dang sun goes down. But I wanted to show you how to harvest collard seeds. My first time doing it, I'm gonna share it with y'all. Again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Reference showing enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.